So here we are at the Strathroy Antique Mall, and what we got was this slime. So it's from the 80s. It's Ecto-Plazm, Ghostbusters. It's 140 grams. It's been opened. Did we just open it at the front? Oh, and I found it at the front of the antique mall. And inside these is figures it's showing. Some of them had that, some didn't, but this one did. That's made in Canada. It's Kenner Ecto-Plazm. Shows the Ghostbusters. So it's the real Ghostbuster slime. Ecto-Plazm. Ecto-Plazm may require kneading to achieve proper consistency. This one does not. It is slimy. It must be stored in its own can to prevent drying. Each Ecto-Plazm may stick to rugs, fabric, hair, and may damage wood surfaces. If staining occurs, clean with cold water and laundry detergent. So that's the Canadian version. Instructions. Ages 4 and up, it's non-toxic. It's gel, play gel Ecto-Plazm. And it shows the Ghostbuster here. Let's hope we get this one. The blue one. But it's showing these, so I wonder if it's just the red, orange. Orange, red. What is that? Orange? Orange, red,
It's red,
orange.
fuchsia, and orange.
And then blue. So, here we go. It's by Kenner. It's pretty neat to find this. It's hard to find. There's all kinds of gel out there, but not the original 1980s. It doesn't have a date. It has a barcode, but there was barcodes in the 80s. You put the lid when not in use, it says. It's got the trademark. I'm trying to see. Oh yeah, it's 1986. That's what it says. Columbia Pictures Television. So, it's Columbia Pictures Industry, Inc. All rights reserved. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. We have slime. That is slimy. That is slimy. And purple. Oh. And it's really sticky.
Don't put on the... You're probably not going to get off there.
And it's sticky. Whoa. And slimy. And there's our man. We do not want this to go on the floor. And we have the red man. And that's it. Lots of slime. Wow. It's goobering off. This is messy. And it's the red ghost.
Come on, take it all off for us.
Take all what? And it's vomiting.
Slime.
Look at the ghost. Slime's coming all out of its mouth. Lots of slime.
Oh, you're going to drop it on the carpet.
Oops.
Oh.
It's going to go off onto the...
Oh, I didn't know.
Now we got to get this all back in. And you know what?
No.
This is too bad. Because we're not getting half of it. No.
Okay, calm. Okay, I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe I'll just zoom out. Is that okay? Yeah, you're not getting it.
It's hard to get it up. Yeah, it's been moved. There is no table slime at all. But this is slimy. I hope it doesn't wreck our, what do you call it, our paper outside. It's hard to find this from the, oh, I think it comes right off, look. And the guy's slime, this is so slimy compared to the originals that they have now. Well, this is the original actually. But the slimes the kid uses nowadays is totally different. Eh? Feel it.
I know, I
It's
don't like slime. I don't like normal slime. I don't know what that is.
It is slimy. It's sticky. It's real slime. It's like goober. Goober.
I need to get it off of this package.
Look, it's, huh?
I need to get it off that package.
I'm going to put the guy back in there, off of here. Yeah, we have to get it off of here. But it does come off, but it's
I don't think it comes
It's
off
sticky.
hands by the looks of it. It comes off everything.
Well, it's
gross.
goobering together. What do you mean it doesn't come off hands?
Look at
That's
your
a shimmery
hands.
purple, eh? That's a neat purple. It's got like a shimmer, but it's slimy, and my hands are snotty-like. Slimy, slimy. How am I going to get all this off? Maybe it's coming off under the table, and then I'm putting it in. But this is fun stuff. It's probably very collectible. Like, how often do you see slime from the 80s? The original slime. And Ghostbusters. Everybody remembers the Ghostbusters. That was fun. That's a good show. So, we almost got it cleaned up. So, now we got to get it off the hands. That's not as easy. It is sticky and hard to get off. I wonder what it is. Nowadays we make it with glues and waters and stuff. What is this? But it says non-toxic. This one must have just been opened not too long ago because it's pretty wet. Like, it's not, it's been, if it hasn't been opened too long ago, it's been stored really well. Right? It's very wet. Okay, I got almost all the slime off my hands. I don't want to throw any out. It's from the 80s. We have to get every little nugget. So, this is going to go for sale at Strathroy Antique Mall for $50 for the little tub because it is rare. It's from the 80s. We're just going to make sure we get every little bit in it. We're located at 39 Front Street in Strathroy. Worth your drive, especially for stuff like this. If you're from the 80s, this is your stuff. This is your childhood memories. And that's why people do usually buy stuff. Because they remember it. Just got to get all of it on the outside. I don't want it to wreck the paper. So, we'll see you at Strathroy Antique Mall, over here. And that's the Ecto-Plazm Ghostbusters water-soluble slime.